Hi everyone, my name is Akasha, and if you haven't seen my channel before, I just do everything here. Welcome back, or welcome. So today's video, I am gonna be unboxing and reviewing and testing out the INH hair waver. The insert name here, WAVER INH. Wave your hair back and forth. So I'm excited. I literally bought this months ago, but since I wanted to unbox and try it on camera, I have not used it. And I also have the blowout brush. Let me know if you guys want that video. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. So, what am I looking at? So ooh, it's really cute. It looks smaller than I thought, but I don't know if I'm tripping. Oh, never mind. It's not smaller than I thought. Oh, there's a mitten too. I really like this like peachy coral pink color. I think it's really, really cute. And they've got these buttons here and that, and it opens up like so. And a cord. And then there's a little thing here. It says plug in, turn on the waver, set to preferred temperature. Yeah, spray heat protectant to your hair. This step is optional but keeps your hair healthy. Take 3-inch sections of your hair and start waving. Thinner portions for deeper waves. Make sure clamp can still close or you have added too much hair. Clamp the hair starting 2 to 3 inches away from the root and hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then release the waver down. Oh, and there's a 1-year warranty. So that's cool. Here's the mitten. I never use like these mittens and stuff when I'm doing this, but let's just do it. And I think I'll part my hair in the middle for this part, just because I feel like everyone does that and it just looks better that way. So that's what I'm gonna do instead of doing the side part. The middle parts are in nowadays anyways. I naturally have a middle part, but I always part it on the side because that's what was cool, and now it's cool to do it in the middle. So I guess I'll have to switch back to looking like Lord Farquaad. Ooh, it turns blue. So this thing turned blue when it turned on. It looks a lot more blue in person. So I'm just gonna click it, and it's at 370 degrees. So I just click the up arrow and I put it on 410, and it's just blinking. And oh wow, it's heating up real quick. Look how quickly. It's already very hot. That was like instant, honestly. Like I can feel the heat coming off of it. I just touched it a little while ago, like when I said it was getting hot. So yeah, this is like instantly getting really hot. I'm gonna put it down for a sec and just part my hair in the middle. I'm gonna be really bad at this. I feel like my hair doesn't look good parted in the middle just because that's what I've been told. But I want to stop thinking that way because I used to love parting my hair down the center, but I stopped doing it just because people thought it didn't look good. It's not so bad. It's almost done heating up. I accidentally hit off, so I had to turn it back on, but it's at 320, 321, 322. It's actually not so bad with the middle part. It smells like it's like burning. Okay, so it's sitting at 410. I think I'm just gonna start. I don't know like whether to start at the front pieces or what, so let's just do that. 3-inch sections. I don't really know what a 3-inch section is really. I think like that maybe. I think this is a pretty good section. Glasses problems. Keep in mind I am using my viewfinder for this from my camera. I'm not using a mirror. I don't know how long to hold it. I forget what it said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I forget how long it said to hold it for. 5 to 10 seconds. I'm just gonna leave like a little piece out like that. Yeah, leave a bit of space at the end. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I need to do that piece again. I don't think that was good. I'm gonna end up frying my hair, guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ow! Oh, I just touched my forehead. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 10, 9, 10. Okay, so here's what we got. Honestly, not sure how I feel about it. I don't really think I like it. Sorry, I was just looking in the mirror. I don't think I really like it, to be honest with you guys. I don't know, I just expected the waves to be more wavy, I don't know. Okay, I'll just keep doing like some pieces, I guess. I might go back over this piece again. like I really like it, but I'll just keep going. This isn't sponsored, by the way, guys. Not sponsored. This is my honest opinion. I feel like the waves aren't like tight enough, if that makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's not bad. Maybe I'll start to like it. Huh. I'm gonna go over this piece again. Let's do like a smaller portion. Maybe we can make it tighter. I don't want to get wrinkles by doing this. Kind of like pushing it back a little bit, like instead of holding it so tight after I release it, instead of doing this, because I hear when it like cools down, that's what makes the hair really stay in that position. Okay, that's better. Do you guys see that? Here are the waves so far. This is how wavy they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the rest of my head, and I'll be right back. Guys, this is half of it done. I don't know, I'm just not really feeling it. Like, it doesn't look like very wavy. Like, if you guys can tell now with the lights off, it doesn't look very wavy to me. Like, I don't know, just, it's not the type of waves I wanted, if that makes sense. I'll go ahead and finish off the rest, but like, they're such like loose waves. I don't know, I just wanted them to be like a little bit tighter. Like, right now they're more like this. And I wanted them to be more like this. Like, if I braid my hair and run a straightener over it while it's in a braid and then open it, it's more like this, you know what I mean? They're like barely wavy. Pass over it multiple times to try to get it to look like what I want it to look like, which is kind of really annoying and defeats the purpose, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like this is just getting frizzy. I don't know if that's just me. Doing this makes the length of my hair like a couple inches shorter, because obviously it's wavy, I know. Like, I know it looks longer when it's straight, but let me show you guys just in case you want to see like the difference. Wavy, straight. Okay. Here we are. I don't really feel like it looks good on me. I almost regret doing it. I almost regret buying it. Like, I just feel like this looks no good on me. I don't know what to say, but it's really cute, but I just feel like this doesn't look good on me at all. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think this thing is so cute. It heats up so quickly, but the waves are like, it's so flat is what I'm trying to say. Like, they're not very wavy. They're very flat to me. They're just not popping out very much. And I really did try. I had to make quite a few like passes over some spots again. I tried to go into thinner sections. That helped. It says that you can do 3-inch sections, so I don't know, but let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, this is the INH waiver. This was not sponsored. Honestly, I don't even use, like, I don't sponsor products that I don't like, you know what I mean? So if someone wants to work with me, I always ask to test out the product first. So yeah, this is what I would have done, and then in private, and then I would have been like, no. But like, I don't know, it just doesn't look the way that I wanted it to, and I feel kind of bad saying that. I don't know, like, maybe some of you guys will think this is cute, but I just don't really like it very much. Well, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys want to see the blowout brush. I hope it's better, because now I'm kind of, I don't know, I kind of am having low expectations for the brush, and I've never given myself a blowout before. So, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you guys want to see next, by the way, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Thank you so much for watching. Can I get an honest opinion on my hair? For this waiver, I would think that the waves would be better. I don't like it. Fuck, I didn't know I was recording.